Today we are going to talk about roof warranties and the common reasons why your roof warranty could be denied. So let's get into it. When it comes to your roof, you just want to make sure that you are covered. It is really important that you understand the different types of warranties out there, especially if you wish to save money if anything should go wrong. You see, when it comes to warranties, it isn't as simple as you think, because there are a lot of common mistakes that homeowners do when it comes to their warranties. And this simply means it can affect whether you qualify or not. Typically, there are two types of warranties and both warranties are tied together. This is obviously because they need to protect various aspects of your roof. So let's take a closer look at these two types of warranties. We have manufacturer's warranty versus workmanship warranty. So let's start off with manufacturer's warranty. A roof manufacturing warranty is where the materials of your roof, such as shingles, are covered in the event that the materials are defective. This is one of the most common roof warranties that you'll find available. This is also why it's so important that you actually ask your contractor about the type of materials that they're using, the company that they're working in conjunction with, because this will actually have an impact on your roof. And of course, you really want to make sure to ask them about what these products do and do not cover. For instance, roofing shingles come with a basic limited lifetime warranty, which is the industry standard of 25 years. Just remember that you always have an option to extend your warranties. Of course, this will provide additional coverage, but for an extra cost. For instance, your average warranty will cover for 20 years, and with the extension, it can cover it up to 50 years. Now, warranties do differ depending on the manufacturer and the contractor that you hire. In most cases, a lifetime warranty means that you are covered for as long as you own your home. The degree of protection that you receive depends on the definition of lifetime, and this varies depending on the manufacturer itself. Most manufacturers cover the cost of replacing defective shingles for the first few years and then offer partial coverage from that point on. So what this simply means is that if you find that any of the shingles are defective during the initial period, the manufacturer gives you replacement shingles at no cost. This initial cost also includes labor costs for installation or replacement shingles, but it does not cover the tearing off and the disposal of the old materials. These standard manufacturer warranties only provide coverage against factory defects. They do not cover shingles that prematurely fail, especially if mistakes were made during the installation, or issues with any other components that your roofer installed, such as ice and water shield, underlayment, flashing, or ventilation products. So it goes to show that having the manufacturer's warranty on its own isn't enough. And this is where the second warranty comes into place. Workmanship warranty. Workmanship warranty covers any installation errors from the contractor. This usually covers the cost of labor and any materials needed to make necessary repairs. Workmanship warranty also should cover any damages related to the home's interior, as well as furnishing and any personal effects. The contractor that installs your roof plays a key role in your roof performance and longevity. Not only that, but your workmanship warranty can affect your manufacturer's warranty. This is why you want to make sure that you hire a contractor that offers you both warranties. Also, while your material may carry 25 to 30 years of lifetime warranty, it doesn't mean that the workmanship warranty will guarantee that length of period. So of course, all you need to do is just ask your contractor how long does their workmanship warranty last. Now, this length, of course, can depend on the contractor itself, and this may vary due to the material and the climate that you live in. Obviously, if you live in a climate with extreme temperature shifts, your lifetime warranty will be less. Generally, a workmanship warranty will be up to 5 years. That's the average standard. Okay, so now that we know our options, what are the common reasons why your roof insurance could be declined? So your roof is quite an investment, and the last thing you want, of course, is to get your warranty declined. Unfortunately, warranties must strictly abide by their terms. This is one of the reasons why you really want to understand the full terms of your warranties. I know it's a boring topic to talk about, but information in this situation is power. A warranty only covers a manufacturer defects or a contractor who made a mistake, not any negligence from the homeowner's part. There are common reasons why both companies may reject warranty claims, and those are acts of God. This means that it's a freak or rare accident. Structural debris damage from a nearby structure or building. Another building collapsing next to you, the end of the world. Animal habitat creation, such as nesting birds or small animals digging against the roofing material. Vermin, insects, and rodents may not be covered. This is because it is considered the homeowner's responsibility to protect their roof, their home against animal invasion. Small and non-destructive leaks. Although some manufacturers will provide protection for immensely destructive leaks, others won't. Leaks need to be reported to the manufacturer immediately. In fact, a lot of warranties require the homeowner to report the leak within 30 days of discovering the leak. Now, failure to do so, of course, can lead to your warranty being declined. Mismanaged or poorly maintained roof. Many roof manufacturer warranties do actually require regular roof inspections and maintenance. Therefore, it is up to the homeowner that you make sure that you have your roof regularly checked by an experienced and reliable roofer. And remember, this is key to keeping your warranties valid. Unkept ventilation. Proper ventilation is essential in your attic to prevent the buildup of hot air and moisture under your roof. This also allows you to enjoy a more comfortable indoor environment and, of course, improve roof performance. Heat at the bottom of your shingles can actually cause premature wear and tear, while as moisture can wreak havoc on your roof, especially in winter. I have made a few videos on ventilation, so hop onto our YouTube channel and check them out for more information on this topic. Mold is often a cause of homeowners neglecting their roof, and of course, lack of proper roof maintenance. For instance, if there is a minor roof leak that is ignored, it of course can result in mold growth. Not only that, but this can actually spread all over your roof. When you file a claim, the insurance company will determine how long the mold has been there. And of course, if it is found to be an old problem, your claim will likely be denied. You going on your roof and fixing it yourself. Do-it-yourself repairs may void warranties completely. Most manufacturer warranties require that the roof repairs be performed only by a contractor who has earned the manufacturer's approval. So as a homeowner, if you notice anything that needs to be fixed or replaced, just call a certified contractor to come and fix it for you. Doubling or tripling the layers of shingles. Believe it or not, this is actually a very common practice that is done to save money. However, this can turn out to be quite costly. If a second or a third layer was added to your roof, this will disqualify your roof for any warranty. Unqualified roofing contractor. Another reason why your roof warranty could be denied is because you hired a contractor who is not qualified, who isn't registered, or who is not certified. You simply want to make sure that your contractor is registered, who has a license, and of course, who works in accordance with building codes. Wear and tear. Over time, it is inevitable that your roof will experience some deterioration. If the damage found by your insurance company is due to wear and tear, your insurance claim can actually be denied. This often happens when a roof has reached or surpassed its lifespan. Depending on the type of roof you have, this obviously can differ. For instance, a cedar shake roof life expectancy is 30 years, while as an asphalt shingle roof is expected to live up to 25 years. So it's important that you have a good understanding of that. Improper installation. Roofing manufacturers have strict guidelines about the installation of their roofs. This is because even with high quality materials, improper installation can significantly shorten the lifespan of the roof. So, in order to ensure that you experience the full benefit of their products, manufacturers specify things like the length and number of nails used per shingle. If your roofer fails to follow these guidelines while installing your roof, your warranty might be voided. Now let's talk about the importance of professional roof maintenance. One of the biggest causes of roofing problems is a poorly maintained roof. Homeowners often do not realize that their roof has suffered some damage until it begins to leak or it literally starts falling apart. And simply put, what we want to do is we want to prevent a small problem for them becoming a bigger problem. Now, to keep your roof in top condition and of course to avoid to have any of your warranties denied, it's incredibly important to have regular roof inspections. This is also great because it will ensure that your roof will actually live longer. Now, how often should you have your roof inspected? This does vary on a few factors, for instance, the age of your roof, the climate that you live in, and of course, the type of roofing material that you have chosen or that you have for your home. But on average, every 1 to 2 years is recommended. In conclusion, it's really important that you ask the right questions and you get as much information as you possibly can from both your roofer and of course about the materials that you have chosen for your roof. This is simply because you don't want to be left with any surprises if anything should happen. Not only that, but this also puts you in a position of power, so you know that you have done everything right, that you have followed all the guidelines, and therefore you know that your warranties are going to be approved. Another thing you want to do is to have your roof pre-inspected before taking out the insurance, and don't be afraid to ask your contractor the hard questions. And if it's not to your satisfaction, shop around. I hope this video was informational, and homeowners, please leave a comment below if you have had your roof warranty denied. As always, if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a solar quote, you can always go to our website or click the description box below for more information. Have a wonderful day.